Activity 1. Introduction. Tap on the cloud to make rainbows.
Egg. Net. Elephant. Egg. Net. Elephant. Net. Elephant. Egg. Egg. Elephant. Egg. Elephant. Net. Egg. Net. Elephant. Egg. Egg. You did it!
Activity 2. Sound discrimination. Feed the shark. Tap on the fish with the word
Eh. 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 Eh.
Tap on the fish with the word Tap on the fish with the word Activity 3. Letter formation.
Trace the letter. Good job.
Egg.
Trace the letter. Good job.
Egg. Well done.
Activity 4. Sound isolation. Classify all objects on the conveyor into the right boxes. This time, you'll classify
What contains the sound and the sound? Mat. 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 Pen. Pan. Pen. Cap. Jet. Bell. Pan.
Good job.
Activity 5. Blend and segment.
Shooting meteorite.
Shoot the meteorite with the correct sound to blend a word.
Pa. Pa. Pet. Pet.
Shoot the meteorite with the correct sound to blend a word.
Pa. Pa. Pen. Pen.
Shoot the meteorite with the correct sound to blend a word.
Good job.
Activity 6. Build the word.
Drag the fish to the boat to make the word.
Neck. Yay! 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 Neck. Neck.
Make the word.
10. Yay! 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 10. 10.
Make the word.
Net. Yay! 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 Net. Net.
Make the word.
Pen. Pa. Yay! Yay! Pa. Pen. Pen.
Activity 7. Learn sight words. Keyboard Max.
Hi, I am Max. I am learning to type. Do you know which word I am typing? Tap on
4. 4. 4. 4.
Tap on
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 4. Good job.
Activity 8. Learn vocabulary.
Drag the text to match the pictures.
Elk. Egg. Leg. Elephant. Bell. Jet. Well done.
Congratulations! You finished the lesson!